Are you ready to invest in creating YouTube videos? Is it really worth it? I get it. I was on the fence too before I started creating YouTube videos. I mean, running your own business is already time consuming, and adding YouTube videos just seems like it would be a hassle basically. If you're like me, you're probably thinking about a lot of cons to creating YouTube videos. Like, it's too much work, it's time consuming, it's too expensive, it's not for you, and so on. So if you want to know if investing in YouTube videos is worth it, then here's how to find out. You just need to answer these 5 questions to find out if it's worth it to invest in YouTube videos. The first question you need to ask yourself is, do I really have time to create videos? Maybe you're really too busy to invest in creating videos right now. Do you have 2 to 3 hours a week to create videos? If so, then it might be worth it. But if not, then maybe you want to start slowly. Like 2 to 3 hours probably gets you 1 video a week. But if you have less time than that, then you can think about creating videos bi-weekly or even monthly to get started. The second question that you need to answer is, do you get a lot of FAQs from your clients or audience? If you get a lot of frequently asked questions, then you can create videos on those topics. I actually had a call with someone who actually said that they send their audience to their competitors' videos whenever they have questions. I shouldn't be laughing because I used to do this too. Instead of sending your audience or potential clients to your competitors, you should create videos. That way you'll be able to showcase your competence and build an authority in your own niche. The third question that I want you to answer is, do you have an online presence? Like, do you already have an audience online? Do you have an audience of 0? If you have an audience of 0 and you want to build your online presence, then creating videos would be a good option for you. I mean, I'm sure that you want to create content that people want to watch. You're not creating content for nobody. Not purposely. I hope not. I hope you're not creating content so that nobody will read it or watch it. I just wanted to say that YouTube is a search engine. So whenever you're creating content for YouTube, YouTube already has an audience. So if you're creating content for YouTube, you can get found in the search results if somebody asks a question pertaining to your topic. When I first started my business, I actually started with blogging. I had an audience of 0. So nobody was reading my blog. So I switched to creating YouTube videos. So after I created YouTube videos, I started getting comments on those videos. I started getting emails from the people in my newsletter. And I started getting questions and inquiries and people asking about my services. So for me, YouTube actually brought more engagement than blogging. I mean, I still create blogs, but it's just those videos. It's just repurposed from my YouTube videos, just so that I can keep content on my website. Before I go on to the last 2 questions, I wanted to tell you about my YouTube script template. So if you want an easy way to film your videos and to format your videos so you'll know how to script your videos and what you're supposed to be talking about in your videos, grab a free copy of your YouTube script template. You can get that from the description. You can get that from the link in the description box down below, or you can go to youtubescript.com. Do you get a lot of frequently asked questions from your audience? Let me know in the comments down below. The fourth question is, do you want to build a community of your dream clients? If your video is found in the YouTube search results, that means that person is asking a question and needs help with that topic. When people find me, it's for 2 reasons. They need help creating videos for their brand, or they need a video editor. So if you want to build a community of your dream clients, then you need to create videos that will help them. The 5th question is, do you want to become an authority in your niche? Creating videos on your topic is a great way to become an authority. For example, if you want to be an authority on sales copy, like copywriting for sales pages or maybe sales copy for Instagram, whatever. But let's take sales copy as an example. If you create videos on sales copy and only on sales copy, then you're targeting people who need help with creating copy for their sales page or Instagram or whatever. So you can create videos on your topic and only on your topic so that you can keep growing or showcasing your expertise and experience so that you can attract your dream audience. So to recap, if you have time in your schedule, get a lot of FAQs from your clients or audience, have a non-existent online presence, want to build a community of your dream clients, and or want to become an authority in your niche, then investing in creating YouTube videos is worth it. If you like this video and you want to see more videos on branding and creating videos, then hit the subscribe button so you can stay tuned for my next video. Next week, I'm going to talk about the 5 things you must do before you hit record. Until next week, bye.